Hello everyone, my name is Kavya. Welcome to my channel. I'm a travel and lifestyle blogger. So today I'm gonna do a unboxing video. When I ordered this product, I got so many DMs asking for an unboxing video. So this is not my first tripod. I had earlier used another tripod. I can show you the picture over here. Also, I have used this tripod in my first video. Most of the shoots were done handheld. However, I have used this tripod in between. Fortunately, my experience with this tripod was not good, so I wanted something which was strong and reliable. That's the reason I chose this tripod over the normal tripods. I have ordered these two things on Amazon. The total cost is around 2,700. So in case you are interested to buy this product, I'll give a purchase link in the description. You can just go over there and click that link. So let's go and do the unboxing. This is the ring light. It comes with two accessories. This is the smartphone mold, and this is how it looks, and this is the remote control. Plus, apart from this, there is a hot shoe mold. This is used to connect tripod and ring light. It has multiple screws. It is really flexible. Now comes our tripod. So main specifications are it can weigh up to 5 kgs, it has a maximum height of 1700 mm, its folded height is 615 mm, it has a maximum tube diameter of 26.5 mm, it weighs around 1.2 kgs and it has 3 sections. Some main features are 3-way head with adjustable pan, sturdy rubberized legs, convenient accessory hook, bubble head to adjust horizontal position, multi-purpose head with quick release. To be true, I really loved this product. It is really strong and reliable. So let's check the ring light. I have attached it with my power bank. It has 3 modes and each mode has 10 light settings, so you can set up to 30 different shades of light. This is how it looks in the evening time. Talking about the dimensions, the internal diameter is 203 mm and outer diameter is 260 mm. So let's assemble everything. This is the ring light. You need to assemble this hold over here, and you need to take the hot shoe mold and you need to attach it below. Now let's attach it to the tripod. So this is how it looks. So do let me know in the comment box how did you find the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and don't forget to hit the bell icon.